Coming with the rules of paragraphing in any directed writing task. Remember that there should be 5 paragraphs in each directed writing task, whether it is speech, magazine article, report, letter, or email. The first paragraph deals with the introduction and purpose of the task assigned. You will start with the introduction of the topic and mention the purpose of attempting that task. The second paragraph would deal with the gist of text A. Whatever the information has been given in text A, you will sum that up in not more than 5 content points using your own words as far as possible. Then the third paragraph will deal with the gist of text B. And here again, you should try to achieve at least 5 content points without doing wholesale copying. The fourth and the most important paragraph would be evaluation. Evaluation means giving your own views based on the ideas given in the text. The examiner does not like that you just copy or sum up the ideas of the given text in your own words. He would rather much appreciate if you sum up those ideas that are triggering in your own brain after reading those texts. And it is not necessary, my dear student, to agree with the information given in the text. You can disagree, you can give your own opinion, and you can also verify it with logical thinking. And lastly, the fifth paragraph deals with the conclusion of the ideas. Many students skip the conclusion. Remember that it can be very brief. It can be even one sentence. For example, in a speech, you can just conclude by saying, "Thank you for being all ears. Thank you for your attentive listening." In the same way, in your report, you can just say it is suggested, and whatever is your suggestion regarding that topic, you can give that up in your conclusion, starting with a suitable connector.